Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am officially back. Today we are going to be talking about how to keep conversation with someone you just met, how to keep conversation with your partner, your wife, how to keep conversation with your girlfriend. Communication is very important, very important in a relationship, in a marriage. Your marriage or your relationship starts losing its luster when the communication is dead. It feels like there is nothing new happening again. Everything feels so boring, and it could actually make you to start cheating on your spouse or your girlfriend, or could make you to feel like you need a new person. These things I'm going to tell you help you so that you don't run out of things to say. Compliment her and turn it into a question. You love her dress sense. You could compliment her with her dress sense. Pick out something that you really love in her body. It could be her shape of nose, it could be her attributes, it could be her character, it could be her body physique. The second thing, you talking about what you like and ask her what she likes too. What kind of things do you like? It could be music. Number 3, discussing about celebrities. This is a topic that people actually love talking about. It's more like a gossip. You guys are gossiping with celebrities. Number 4, you can talk about her interest. What are the things that interest you? Are you a foodie? You know, her interest could be any topic. It could be in different dimensions. The number 5 thing to talk about, what are your worries? What are your fears? You should not really talk about sensitive matters that will bring up an ugly past that will put her in a worst feeling. Don't allow it to get too sensitive. The next thing you could talk about is discussing about future things that you guys want to achieve, the goals that you want to achieve, how she is working on achieving them. The next thing that you can talk about is family. The next thing you can talk about is friends. When you're in a relationship with someone and they really want to know the kind of friends you hang out with or whom you make your best friends, your friends, they want to know because they care about you and they care about your future together. They care about knowing whom you are, because most times from your friends, they actually can detect the kind of person you are. The next topic to talk about is have naughty talks. It actually makes her to feel free and relaxed around you, that she can be herself. The next thing could be romance and sweet talk, of course. Sharing school or college stories. Assuming you are in college, is a very good conversation to talk about. Even if you're out of college, you can talk about your past experience when you were in college. It's something that can actually take you back to happy old young days when you don't think about trying to make it in life and being an adult. Another thing to talk about is your past. Now, I know that people would be like, what has happened in the past is in the past. But trust me, there are topics that you would want to talk about that happened in the past, because if you don't talk about them, they might actually bring problem in the future. The past that you talk about shouldn't necessarily be an ugly past. It could be beautiful things that have happened in the past that you've learned your lessons from. The next thing to talk about is current events. You can talk about the things that you're working on already and allow her to talk about the things that she's working on already. You can discuss movies and TV shows. It could be a new movie that just came up on Netflix or box office, and you get to talk about it. It could be a movie that is trending. It could be a documentary that is trending at the moment. The next thing to talk about is vacations or weekend ideas. You guys can plan how you're going to go on an outing. If you don't have that so much money to plan a long vacation together, you can go on movie dates together. These are my ideas, and they're about 15 of them that could be a conversation starter for you. This would help you to keep a conversation with your partner. I'm still your favorite coach, and I'm going to see you in my next video.